The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Stop around with my friend, Dan. Stop around with my friend, Dan.
Pussy! Yeah, bad man, I beard! Suck your mother! Yeah, bad man! Go suck your mother! Go beard! Everyone, man, they are giving us we are still going to stop this, family.
Yeah, stop around with my friend.
What's your friend?
Stop around with my friend. Stop around with my
Viewers and subscribers, I can relate with what's going on in this video right about now. You see me? I mean, you know, I once had a friend, even family member too, that we grew up together. I mean, them smart, have sense, everything. We climb tree, pick jelly, this, that, you name it. And on our way, you know, traveling through life to become an adult, you see me, something happened. I don't know if it is the stress of life or what. But, you know, friend and family member that I know as persons where used to be sensible somehow got mentally ill. Yeah, you see me? So many times I feel like I give up to, you know, viewers and subscribers. I mean, you know, because when you talk to them and talk normal, them still can calculate, them still can read and everything. But, you know, keeping themselves clean and then they on the road I walk up and down and look for a cigarette butt and all kind of sitting. You see me, I said to you, it's like, you know, me have to wonder, I mean, them have sense, but at the same time they are doing things that is just not a normal average person would do. You know, to walk up and down, picking up papers and picking up cigarette butts and them things there. You know, I don't know if I give up or something. You know, sometimes you have Jamaicans who say, yo, I obey them all them things, but sure. Oh boy. Now, even though you see that person, I'm mell around and, you know, I play with him so aggressive and all these things, you know, I play that person, I play really and truly, you see me? And, but even though I like to point it out that it is not wise to play around with mentally ill persons like that, is what I'm saying to you. No, I don't think it is wise to do certain things like that. No, sir, because you may never know what they are thinking. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about something like this. Have you ever had a friend or a family member that you grew up with that you know that was a sensible person and then somehow just got mentally ill? You see me I say, or them give up. Let me know what you think about something like this, alright? Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skiller. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?